Hi, welcome to your ninth lecture in this course. And in this lecture, I'm going to be talking to you guys something called as slicing. Now, slicing is something, as the word says, it is used to slice down the list. Now, for example, if you have a really large data within a list and you want to separate the data within a certain numbers or um, certain group, then you can use this method called as slicing. Now it comes really handy and very useful when you're dealing with a very large data set. Let me just quickly show you guys how this is done so that you'll understand what I mean. So when you open up your interface, you first need a list for doing slicing. And for that, let me just quickly create an example list and I'll call that as example to keep it simple. And then I'll just add numbers from 0 to 9. Right, so you have a list called as example and it's got the elements from 0 to 9. So to do the slicing, so you need to write the name of the list and then you need to add two brackets, and then first parameter is that you need to specify the number from which it has to start and then the number which it has to end. So for this example, let's just write 8, and then what it does is it prints out all the numbers between 2 and 8 except 8. So this is how you do slicing. You can also do this through a reverse order. As I said in the previous lecture, the elements within the list is also maintained through a reverse order through negative numbers. So you can again use the same principle. You can start from -5 to -1, and then you print out the same digits which are numbered from -5 to -1. So this is how you use slicing within a list. You can also use a quick tooltip to print out the complete list. You can just write enter and then print out the complete list. So these are, you can also print out a complete list, and also if you just uh, slicing it from the beginning till a certain number, you can use like this, or if you're printing it from 0 till the end, let's say 5 till end, so that'll print all the numbers from 5 till the end of the list. So this is how you do slicing with the list, and hope you guys have understood what is a list and how to do slicing and what is a sequence as well.